Clarita, I think we could play around with these negative exponents and use them with bases other than 2. Try applying the multiplication rule for exponents. A to the m times a to the n equals a to the m plus n to these expressions. When you have finished, use another method to verify that your answers are correct. So let's say we did 2 to the 5th times 2 to the negative 3rd. That's the same thing as 2 to the 5th plus negative 3, which is 5 plus negative 3 is 2, so that's 2 to the 2nd power, which is 4. Verifying this on a calculator, we could do 2 to the 5th, that's 32, times 2 to the negative 3rd, which is 1/8, and then doing 1/8 times 32 gets me 4. And here I'll put that as 1/8 just for fun. 1/8 times 32. Yep.